Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk to you, as you can probably see, about the Yoonla Evolve Elite free upgrade. It's a special program. I like it. I also happen to, of course, be enrolled in it and be a member of it. I'm going to start off talking about why I like it. As you can see here, this is a nice, smooth setup. I believe this is a WordPress theme. A lot of the new programs are using it. The video, as you can see, is right here in this area, and then over here you have the different steps, the different sections of the program itself. In this brief video, I'm going to just be speaking on really my pros and why I like this Yoonla Elite, especially the upgrade, this Elite setup. And they're offering it to you for free. I'm not going to say free, but they're saying it's free. Of course, nothing in life is free, but it's a free upgrade, a $297 value. And so what I'm going to talk about is some of the things that are included in this setup, uh, the website slash or landing page setup, and then also the autoresponder that they advise you to use, which is very, very important. Both of those tools are very important to anyone or any successful business, because every business or anyone that wants to be successful online or period, you want to have some type of internet real estate, whether it's a blog, whether it's a website, one page, two page, or a simple landing page type of website. Because what you want to be able to do is have whatever it is you're selling or whatever it is you're advertising, of course, be visible for your customers or potential customers, right? Then also on that page, on that website, you want to have a section or a place where you can capture your customers' information, whether that's an email address, name and email address, name, email address, and phone number. So you want to have the ability to capture that type of information so you can maintain communication with your customers and potential customers. So, because everyone's not going to be a customer right away, but being able to communicate with that person, whether it's via phone, whether it's via email, and having that person's personal information like a first name so you can communicate with them, you break that ice, get those barriers knocked down, and it becomes a lot easier to communicate with that person, and hopefully, potentially, they become a customer as well. And so I speak on the importance and the keys of having an autoresponder and a website set up. So, and that's what I believe sets Yoonla apart from a lot of other programs, is that, hey, yes, they do offer a free setup. And a lot of people, they're going to choose that because they don't have the money. They don't think to put into a business. Some people just don't have it. And I understand that because I've been there and I was there for a long, long time. But I was able to get this free setup, and then I was able to get the Yahoo business or the website, which I believe was like $75 or something like that, $65. And then they want you to start with the basic get response autoresponder. And so what I'm going to do now is try to go down here and see if I can find that little section so I can show you what they're talking about. Okay, the small business account, tap on that. See, as you tap on it, it tells you what you've tapped on. It comes over here. So create small business accounts, what I tapped on, step 4. It's up here. This video will play. And then also what we can do, I'm going on here and show you what's involved in that. So you have your small business setup. Like I said before, it's going to be through Yahoo Business. There it is. You can see that Yahoo is going to be a Yahoo small business account. And what they'll do in this free setup, the Elite setup, the Yoonla support agents, they'll set everything up in the background, send your email, and tell you once everything is done. Let's see what this. I think this is another part of it right here. Set up your automation campaign. Step 3. If you go down here, it tells you a little bit more about that. Right, that's what I was saying before. This is an autoresponder part of the program. It's called Get Response. That's the type of autoresponder. Actually, it's one of the more popular autoresponders. Get Response and another I'm going to name drop is called Aweber. Those are two of the more popular autoresponders. And again, this is important and very key to your business and any business and most businesses because it allows you to have somewhat of a database. So as a customer goes to your site or your landing page and they enter their information, email address, you can save it in like the database or Get Response or Aweber on the autoresponder. They have a database or somewhere they store it. And what you can do is you can go back, pull up all those emails, and then let's say you have a broadcast or a message you want to send out or just some information you want to give out to your customers, potential customers. You want to, let's say, provide some type of value, whether it's just a hello, a happy birthday, or some internet marketing tips or some marketing tips or sales tips or whatever. You have a place you can go, get all those customers, you have all the information, you can put together one message, and whether you have one customer or 1,000 customers, you can send them out all information out at one time. So it's very economical, very efficient, and it's just part of doing good business. And this is part of the Yoonla Evolve program. This is why I like it. So this between having an autoresponder, having the website landing page as well, and then as you can see over here, all of these different steps that they have. We'll start from the bottom and go up. We're doing it backwards here. The Yoonla social, get connected. They show you how to connect on Facebook, Instagram. Then they show you little files here. This the app. I showed you that earlier a little bit. They have the high converting email swipes. This is cool and very important. I'm going to stop after this because this is very, very important. It's tied up very well with this. These emails are important because most of us don't have salesmanship skills. Most of us are too shy or whatever, not confident to even show our face on videos like I'm doing here now. And then on top of that, I know for firsthand, I can speak for myself. I didn't have copywriting skills. I didn't have sales skills. I could just sit down and write an email or write a sales letter and try to convince someone why they should join this program or any program. So these swipes right here, these email swipes, as you can see right here, they give you about 10 of them, which is excellent. You can put these 10 in your autoresponder and send them out to your potential customers. So as you gather information, you can put these emails into the autoresponder, email each and every customer that you receive, and these emails, they have information in there as well as your link you'll be able to put in there that you set up through Yahoo Business, your website. You can put that email in so they can go back and sign up through there. Plus, they'll already be in your responder system, so that's another good thing they set up for you. Once they put their email in, they're in your system, so you can put these emails in there and communicate with them as often as you choose to. And the average in email marketing and online marketing is 7 contacts with a customer, potential customer, before they become an actual paying or buying customer. So just keep that in mind. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take 1 or 2, 3, 4, possibly, as they say, 7 contacts, multiple contacts to get someone to become a customer. So wrapping it up, this Yoonla Evolve program is awesome. Check it out. Get the elite upgrade. If you have any questions, my web address will be here. My email address, I'm going to have that in the description as well. Please contact me. I'll help you out as much as I can. And if I can't find an answer, together we will find it and get you going, get you successful out here. Thank you. Have a great day. Traffic Boss signing out.